guys, and our winner for Zach Earl. He's got the mini Ogaden Raptors Prince Fielder bobblehead from last year, 8:30 p.m. Here it is right here. We're going to go live. We are live. 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. We are going to grab the list, 20 spots. We're dropping in the random. We got 20 entries. Justin on the bottom and the top. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. That's good. We're going 7 times. Good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Justin, spot number 1. You are the winner. Can get in touch with Zach and collect your bobblehead. We are done. 8:31 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 8:31 p.m. 8:31 p.m. Here is timestamp and verification.